Guys, welcome back to my channel. I hope you all are doing fabulous. So I am so excited. I've never been excited for a phone so much in my life. Okay, so today's video is going to be an unboxing video, and I'm going to unbox the iPhone 12 Pro Max. So I have been waiting to get this phone for such a long time. The reason is that I was actually using the iPhone 10, and what happened was there was a little bit of a drop damage. I dropped it. Nothing new. I always drop the phone. One fine day when I dropped it, so there was like a little bit of like a screen damage. So this portion was like completely black. So I was like, okay, it's okay, I can manage it, and I was still using it. But then one fine day, the screen started like flickering lights, and then I realized, okay, not anymore, I can't use it. So I was like talking to my husband, and I was like, I think maybe we have to get a new phone, because I've been using this for like the past 3 years and I never got the iPhone 11. So I was like, okay, maybe this is the time to like, you know, upgrade my phone. And then he was like, maybe you should wait because the iPhone 12 is coming out soon, so you can just get the 12 instead of getting the 11. And it made sense to me. Okay, so I was like, okay, fine. And I was like reading about the phones and stuff. Meanwhile, I was using this old phone, and it drove me nuts. Okay, so I was just reading about it, and iPhone 12 had a lot of variants like iPhone 12, iPhone 12 Pro, Pro Max, Mini, and all that. So when I was reading itself, I just kind of like made up my mind that I want to get something like the 12 Pro or the Pro Max. Obviously, that meant that the camera would be, you know, much better. And then I was like, okay, fine, I'll just stick around and just, you know, wait. My life is coming to a standstill because most of the things I do, like on Instagram or, you know, anything, you know, it was just, I was like cut off from all of that. And then my husband told me, he's like, you know what? iPhone 12, 12 Pro, everything is releasing in October, but the 12 Pro Max is only coming out in November. And I was like, what? I have to wait for another month? It drove me nuts. Okay, but then I was like, okay, fine. He convinced me, and he was like, just wait for it, and trust me, it'll be worth the wait. It would be better if you wait and just, you know, get the 12 Pro Max, since you do a lot of like image camera related stuff. Anyway, I was convinced and I waited. So the moment is finally here to unbox the iPhone. So the pre-order started on November 6th, and we placed the order on November 6th through the Apple website, and they delivered it today morning. And yeah, here we go. So this is the box. It feels very sleek, because last time I remember the box was a bit more like thicker, but this one is like so sleek, probably because there is no adapter and stuff. So this iPhone does not come with a charger, as they mentioned in their launch event. So I'm finally going to unbox the iPhone 12 Pro Max, and let's see what's inside the box. So this is the iPhone 12 Pro Max in all its glory, and this one is in the shade Pacific Blue. It is such a beautiful color. I loved it. So the box also comes with a SIM ejector tool, and that's the one. And also there is a USB-C to Lightning cable. So this box does not come with a charging adapter, so you will have to get one separately if you don't already have one. And yeah, let's rip it off. This is the iPhone 12 Pro Max. It looks beautiful. Like, Off the back, the phone itself looks very premium and very luxe. I just loved it. It's very sleek. The color we got is Pacific Blue, and this one is actually a new shade. So Zuhair wanted to get it because I was open to any color, because so I've had like a previous gold iPhone, and also the iPhone 10 I had was like a gray black sort of a shade. So he wanted to try out the Pacific Blue, and I was like, okay, let's do it. Okay, so we got the Pacific Blue. I'm actually glad that we got it. It looks beautiful and very like edgy. I like it. So this is the iPhone. So of course it's a big phone. The iPhone 10 is this much, and this is the iPhone 12 Pro Max. So it is the biggest iPhone 12 variant. The size of it is 6.7 inches. So since it's big, it's also slightly heavier. So it has like a sleek edge. Although it's curved at the corners, the edge itself is like flat. I read that the design is similar to the iPhone 5, which I never had. I think I had 6 Plus or 7 Plus, I'm not sure. Let me just go through some of the features quickly, because this is not a review. So this iPhone comes with a bigger battery, so of course you have more battery life. It's great for a person like me who charges like when it's at 5% or 1%. So it comes with a ceramic shield, so it gives you more protection against drop damage, which is very crucial for me. I'm a very careless person. No matter how much I try, I just end up dropping the phones. If I drop this phone, I'm gonna cry. Like seriously, I'm gonna guard it. So this is 6.7 inches. The iPhone 12 Pro is 6.1 inch. I like the fact that it's bigger, so the screen size is also bigger, better for watching videos and stuff. So it has a 12 megapixel camera, and it has 3 cameras: wide, ultra wide, and telephoto. So the iPhone 12 Pro and the Pro Max comes with a LiDAR scanner, which enables the night mode photography and stuff. So I got the 256 GBs. Ultimate reason I got the Pro Max is for the camera, and this one offers the best out of the whole lot. So it also comes with a sensor shift image stabilization for videos and for images, which is pretty cool. So I'm actually planning to start vlogging a bit more, so I think this would be really handy for that. It has HDR recording. You can take 4K videos and stuff. That's the phone. Just gonna set it up. Let me just turn it on and see. So that's it for today's video. This is my iPhone 12 Pro Max unboxing. I hope you guys enjoyed it. So this is not a detailed video. So if you want like a detailed review of the camera or the pictures or videos and stuff like that, let me know in the comments down below. I will just play around with it and give you guys my thoughts and show you guys some pictures taken with this phone. So thank you so much for watching. Please do subscribe if you haven't already, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye bye.